For millennia, we have gazed at the stars, charting constellations and mapping the glowing tapestry of the night sky. We see brilliant galaxies, fiery nebulae, and the distant shimmer of countless suns. For a long time, we believed this was the universe. But what if all this light, all this beauty we can see is just the surface? What if the reality of the cosmos is almost entirely hidden from us? This is not a question of philosophy, but of physics. The visible universe, everything we have ever observed with our most powerful telescopes, all the stars, planets and galaxies combined, accounts for less than 5% of everything that exists. The rest, over 95% of reality, is a ghost. It's a vast, invisible architecture that shapes and governs the cosmos, yet remains completely unseen. We are living inside a universe we can barely perceive. Let's start with what we know. When we look at a galaxy, we see billions of stars orbiting a central point. Based on the amount of visible matter, we can calculate the gravitational pull needed to hold it all together, but the numbers don't add up. Galaxies are spinning so fast that the gravity from their visible stars should not be nearly enough to keep them from flying apart. They should have disintegrated billions of years ago. So what's holding them together? The answer is something we call dark matter. It's an invisible substance that doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect any light. It passes through our bodies, through the earth, and through everything we see, as if it weren't there. Yet its gravitational influence is immense. We can't see it, but we can see its effects. It forms a massive, invisible halo around galaxies, a hidden scaffold upon which all visible structures are built. The beautiful spirals of stars we admire are merely decorations on a colossal, unseen cosmic web woven from dark matter. We can map this invisible structure by observing how it bends light from distant objects, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. When light from a faraway galaxy passes through a clump of dark matter, its path is warped, creating distorted, magnified images. By studying these distortions, astronomers can create maps of the invisible, revealing the true scale and structure of the universe. These maps show us that galaxies aren't scattered randomly. They are clustered along immense filaments of dark matter, separated by vast empty voids. The visible universe is just the foam on the waves of a deep, dark ocean. But the mystery doesn't end there. In the late 1990s, astronomers made another startling discovery. They expected that the gravity of all this matter, both visible and dark, would be slowing down the expansion of the universe. Instead, they found the exact opposite. The expansion is accelerating. Galaxies are flying away from each other at ever-increasing speeds. Something is pushing the universe apart, acting like a form of anti-gravity. We call this force dark energy, and it is the most dominant component of our universe, making up nearly 70% of all that exists. We have no idea what it is. It seems to be a property of space itself, an intrinsic energy in the vacuum that drives cosmic expansion. As space expands, more of this energy appears, pushing everything further and faster apart. This mysterious force will ultimately decide the fate of our cosmos. So when you look up at the night sky, remember what you are truly seeing, or rather not seeing. You are seeing the visible 5%. Beyond the light of the stars lies a universe of profound darkness and mystery. A universe dominated by invisible matter that holds galaxies together, and an unknown energy that is tearing the very fabric of space apart. We are explorers on the shore of a cosmic ocean, having just dipped our toes in the water. The truth of reality is out there, hidden in the dark, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching.